enter the verification code from the Authenticator app? Okay, let me check the Authenticator app on my phone. And here we go. I'll just copy the code and I'm in. You've probably encountered this before. To log into one of your accounts, apps, or devices, you had to provide not only a password, but maybe a code that was sent to you via text message or that you had to retrieve from a specific app. This is an example of two-factor authentication, a secure process that goes beyond just using a password and instead requires two layers of authentication. Think of it like needing two keys to unlock and open a door. One of these keys might be something that only you know, like a password, and the other key might be something that only you have, like your phone or a physical token. Requiring these two forms of authentication to log in significantly reduces the chances of someone gaining unauthorized access to your accounts or devices. It's much harder for hackers to gain access to both your password and the second factor. However, two-factor authentication isn't perfect. For one, it increases the interaction costs because users must enter two passwords instead of one. Additionally, it can also cause more significant usability issues. For example, if you lose access to your second form of authentication, like when you lose your phone or don't have signal for receiving SMS codes. In these cases, logging into your account might become impossible. That's why it's important to balance security with usability when you add two-factor authentication to the design of your product. Now there are various forms of two-factor authentication. A common form is an SMS code sent to your phone. Another option is to have a code sent to you via email. Or you can use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator, which generates a one-time code. Biometrics like a fingerprint or face recognition are another secure option. And for higher levels of security, hardware tokens can be used. Now, implementing any form of two-factor authentication in your product demands thoughtful design. You must balance strong security with ease of use. It's crucial that your users understand the benefits, can set it up with ease, and can use it consistently without feeling frustrated or overwhelmed. Start by considering your users' goals and their context of use. Then, offer the two-factor authentication methods that are most convenient for them to set up and use regularly. Offering multiple options allows users to choose what fits their specific needs, making the experience both secure and adaptable. Additionally, give users the option to stay logged into their accounts for extended periods to minimize the number of times they have to go through the login process. In today's digital world, security is more important than ever, and two-factor authentication is one of the simplest ways to protect your users' personal data and online accounts. Whether you're setting it up for yourself or building it into your product, it's an essential tool for enhancing security. But you must consider the usability implications for your users.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our UX videos, take a look at these over here and consider subscribing to our channel. On our website, nnGroup.com, you can access our free library of over 2,000 articles. You can also register for one of our UX courses that offer live hands-on UX training.